Bank posted a stable set of second quarter earnings. The State Bank of India's stock perked up in trade thanks to improvement in asset quality. Profits also surged 25% thanks to other income. In fact, CNBC TV 18's Alexander Matthew caught up with Arundhati Bhattacharya just a short while ago. He started by asking her the reason behind an improvement seen in the asset quality.
Two areas. One is less slippage and another is better recovery. As you have seen, the recovery even in written off accounts is around 40% more, around 35% more this quarter. So therefore a huge amount of follow-up, a huge amount of focus on how to get things done, how to move things more quickly. Again, as I said, we have put in a lot of processes. We have a process of showcasing everything that we want to sell to ARCs on a particular date. So they know when to come, they know when they have to give in their bids, they know the amount of time that is available for due diligence. Similarly for auctions, we have an e-auction that is at the middle of, there's a particular date on the last month of every quarter. So everything has become much more process driven. And today, whenever we are putting out any product, people know how to deal with that product from birth to death. So they know that if this product starts looking stressed, what are the actions that need to be started immediately. So as I said, lots of changes that we have done internally in the processes as to how we handle these matters. And all of this obviously is resulting in less stress. However, I must also mention that the economy itself doing better does result in less stress, because then people who have put up larger capacities, their capacity utilization goes up, the entire liquidity in the system goes up, and that also is another reason for the asset quality looking a little better.
This quarter, there were sequentially lower slippages. What are the chunky assets that contributed to that slippage number, and are there any that are close to slipping that could potentially pose a problem in the second half of this financial year?
See, there are still a few chunky accounts. This quarter, I don't think there are any chunky pieces. They are mainly small accounts across all of the segments. There may have been 2 or 3 in the range of 400-500 crores, but mostly they would be contributed by the smaller numbers. Chunky accounts, there still are. There still are a few of them, and we are hoping that they will be able to withstand the pressures and they will be able to come out of the cycle. But one never knows, because there are certain expectations, there are certain assumptions that we have made regarding the capacity utilization, regarding the demand. So if those things are not met, then there could be issues. So there could be some small issues, but again, I would like to say that most of the really problematic ones we have already taken care of. The ones that are still there, they have very good assets, they are working units. So to that extent, even if there is some slippage, we are confident that we can pull it back within a short space of time. So I think overall we are in a more comfortable position right now.
All right, that was Alexander